Hello, this is Electrical Engineering Advising for USD for fall of 2022. So the big question is, when can you register? Registration begins April 4th. We have two registration times each day, 9 a.m. and 1 p.m. Those times have changed recently, so please note that if you find your registration time on April 5th in the morning, that begins at 9 a.m. Note that priority registration includes students who are in the honors program, athletes, students working with the Disability and Learning Resource Center, and also military veterans. So if you feel like you're in that group, you might want to check with those organizations to make sure that you are on the list for priority registration. Also note that while registration officially ends April 28th, new registration, you are able to change your schedule all summer long and through September 12th with no W's on your transcript. So please keep that in mind. Also note that that number of completed units is from your earned hours. This does not include hours that are in progress. So you want to be noting that on your degree works. Your earned hours determines your registration time. Just a reminder that you cannot take upper division courses in the College of Arts and Sciences or the School of Engineering until you have completed or are in progress with 45 units. In the School of Business, that number is 60 units. So you keep that in mind as you're planning. Also, diversity courses, you've got to take level 1 diversity before you take level 2. Similar with religious studies, that you have to complete the lower division religious studies course before you can take the upper division religious studies course. So you would not want to plan on taking both of those courses in the same semester. Quick note about the math minor. If you are in the 2018 catalog and earlier, the math minor kind of came automatically with the EE degree. You didn't need any extra classes other than what you're already taking. Currently, from the 2019 catalog and beyond, you'll have to take one additional math course, discrete math. So these are the courses recommended for entering seniors. They're not really recommended, but you kind of have to take them if you're a senior if you want to get out of USD. So in the fall of 2022, we're offering 320, 430, 470, and 491. Note that any course that's listed in bold are only offered that semester. So you wouldn't want to plan on taking 430 in the spring. It is not offered then. For EE electives, we're kind of slim pickings this semester. The only EE elective currently on offer is Intro to Artificial Intelligence. Also, you can take computer science courses that are approved as electives. If there was any other course that you wanted approved as an elective, you'd want to work with your advisor and Dr. Shastri to have that elective approved before taking the course. So I recommend, if that is in your plans, that you get started on that so that you know whether the course would be approved or not. Petition to graduate. Many students that have over 90 units may have a petition to graduate hold this semester, meaning that the registrar just wants to know, when are you going to graduate? And so that can be found in your Torero Hub on the My San Diego portal. There's a seniors tab, and there's a registrar area that has a link to petition to graduate. Once your petition has been approved, you'll see a date next to your graduation date. Also, once you submit the petition, that releases your hold. So if you find yourself in that situation, just go do it. You'll be able to register right after that. For juniors, these are the courses that are recommended next semester. Semiconductor materials, digital design, and electronics are offered only that semester. Keep in mind that Math 311 is also a co-rec for 350. So you must either take it this semester or in addition to all these courses in the spring semester. Now's a great time to declare your major if you haven't already done so. So if you're planning to be a junior, please declare your major so we know how many seats that we'll need, how many majors are coming. So you can find that form under the My Academics of the Torero Hub under Academic Forms, Declaration of the Major of School of Engineering. You can also use that form to change a minor Maybe you don't want to do that physics minor anymore. You can also use it to change your catalog year. For sophomores, who we also encourage to declare their major, these are the recommended courses. Summer classes that we're offering at USD include Power. So Elect 320 will be offered this summer if you're looking for something to do. Also, ISY 330, statics and thermodynamics are also offered this summer. We do have a number of science courses offered through USD and many core classes. If you would like to take a course outside of USD, you'll definitely have to submit a request for transfer articulation before you take the course. So you want to have that class pre-approved before you take the class. Also remember that seniors, anybody, if you're in your last 30 units of the degree, you're not allowed to take a course outside of USD. So the next steps for you is to please find the flowchart for your catalog year. So you can find this under the engineering website under electrical engineering curriculum. We have flowcharts for each of the catalog years. You can find your catalog year on DegreeWorks. Take a screenshot of the flowchart, cross off things that you have taken, circle the things that you plan on taking, and send that to your faculty advisor and start the conversation about advising to see if you need to meet to get your hold released. Again, you find your flowchart on the website. And that's all I have for you. So good luck, electrical engineers.